This video is going to show how to create a board outline from an IDX file in OrCAD X Presto. Creating an accurate board outline early in the design process is essential, especially with today's smaller and more complex designs. OrCAD X Presto can be used to easily import and create a board outline from a DXF, IDX, or IDF file. To import an IDX file, start by opening OrCAD X Presto. We will import the outline into a new design file. Select File, New, Board from the menu to create a new board file in your home directory. To create the file in your working directory, select File, Save As from the menu. Browse to your working directory and enter a name for the board. We'll name ours IDX Board. Click Save to save the board file. Now we can import the IDX outline. Select ECO IDX Import from the menu. The IDX In window opens. Here you can define the file to import, whether to use it as a base design for future imports, and generate reports. Select the ellipsis to browse for the model file. Browse to the desired file, select it, and click Open. Check Use as Baseline to use the design as a base for future imports. Click Import to start the import. The IDX Flow Manager window opens. Here you can define what components of the IDX file are imported. Check the Import option for the Board Outline object to import the board outline. A preview of the outline appears in the PCB canvas. Click OK to import the outline into Presto. The new outline replaces the existing default outline. Click Close to close the IDX In window. In this example, the imported IDX file does not include Keepin geometry. Let's add it before any components or traces are added to the board. The package and route Keepins retain the default outline shape. Select the imported outline. The Properties panel is populated with its properties. Uncheck the options for Conductor Keepin and Component Keepin. Recheck the options to regenerate the Keepins. New Keepins that follow the irregular shape of the outline are added. Quickly import your board outline from an IDX file to accurately define the size, shape, and features of the PCB with OrCAD X Presto. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eda.com and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.